So once again, good evening. This is Drumil Dikshit and welcome back to AC Wale Garam Charche. And we have with us Mr. Avinash, who's from the Bosch Group. So welcome to the AC Wale Garam Charche. First things first, how is it? How is the feeling to be here at EFFYCON?
It's good, yeah. EFFYCON is always known for talking about efficiencies. So any program which deals with efficiencies, I think it is a requirement, fundamental requirement for all AC companies to be here. Because that's what the drive is today.
Correct. So a follow-up question to this, since you have touched that topic, in the next 3 years our industry, the HVAC industry, if it wants to be really energy efficient, like not just the word but in practical sense, then what do we as an industry need to do differently?
See, I think this question actually should have two different questions actually. So one question is what as an industry we should do. Yes, we should talk about energy efficient product. But if energy efficient product is not locked on and if the history is not given to it, it is of no use. It remains mainly monitoring mechanism. You have a chiller plant manager in a chiller system. You have a chiller plant manager. That is the only device which talks about saving energy, which is around 20%, 15% based upon the load accumulation and the balancing. Correct. But when you are not able to use the data of this system by not inserting AI tools onto a different platform and then put the history onto it, like there is a problem. If the problem is there, the technician goes, solves the problem. If he is not able to input that data, AI doesn't understand it. And if AI doesn't understand it, there is no history. Then it is a mere monitoring tool and a waste of energy. So call is probably we need to educate people as well today. It is more essential. We need to educate industry, we need to educate customer on why it is important to have this. There is a basic parameter which comes into it. So HVAC industry, we need to take energy efficient products and with the use of AI. And AI is always with human in loop.
Correct.
It is always with human in loop.
So is there a possibility that in industry we see that some are very high earning contractors and some are not as much, and there is a disparity? So maybe the ones who are there in the market scaling their business, they are more into energy efficiency, they are using AI better, or what is it then?
It's not AI better. See, it's going back to what OEMs do. See, today in our industry, every OEM still talks about fixed bid. Maybe the market is still on the fixed bid. I'm talking, you talk about,
Correct.
VRF and ducted systems, even for that matter, split units. We are still talking fixed bid. That means it is a product which is going to consume much more energy. It is not energy efficient product. So why this sale of non-energy efficient products still exist? It is because industry, there is still people in the market who are still buying it.
They are buying it.
Okay, so how do you solve this? So probably one thought which generally comes to mind is, if there is some scheme by government which says that if a company goes on energy centric mode, then there is a tariff cut or carbon credit given, something which incentivizes them to use energy centric product, they will go. Why not?
Correct.
Because that cost of adding an AI tool into that is nullified. So I think because this is the case, I mean, take an EV car, simple logic, EV car. Today EV car, when it came in, people thought कि ये चलेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. Today we are seeing a lot of EV cars being sold.
Yeah, they are there.
But are we moved? The price benefit which EV cars has to give to the consumer to buy an EV car is still not there. Moment you have some attractive things to that, people will not go with other car. They will go with EV car. Of course, EVs, I'm just given an example because that is something which is now launched. Same thing goes with our industry. Our industry is similar.
Correct. So in the next maybe 3 to 5 years, where do you see our industry going? What path forward?
It is absolute clear path that corporates will go towards AI.
Okay.
Corporates will go towards AI. Then comes the second layer of normal jewelry shop, say. A small owned jewelry shop. He may not go into that, but then if there is an intensification, at least he moves from non-energy efficient product to an energy efficient product. He may not go and lodge into AI, but he is scaled up. So this scaling up, probably next 3 years, he goes into the next section. So I think that is how it goes in. But for sure, what we see in the corporate world, people talk about energy efficiency. It is not merely remote monitoring. They have gone far ahead into that. So yes, it is a word of mouth in corporate industry today.
It is growing. So to sum up, then we are moving towards AI, and at the same time, energy efficiency remains at the core using AI.
Absolutely, because energy efficiency is a hardware. Your equipment is a hardware. So it is a layer on digitization on top of this hardware.
Correct.
Which actually automizes it. So energy efficient product with the use of AI tools will take you on a different platform altogether.
Correct.
Your human become a decision maker, whereas mass data collection, interpretation, making proxies running at a different condition, this become AI tool. So AI runs it, human challenges it.
Correct.
Human accepts it, and then it is gone.
Correct.
So that is how the things go.
Yeah, that is a very interesting thought. So one final, any message for our viewers? They could be Rata members, they could be non-members. Any message you want to give?
See, my message is very simple. In fact, I have been in the industry for last 35 years. I have seen people talking lot about energy efficiency. But then again, it is related towards product. Now, I think we need to go scale up. We need to have educating Rata is a very good platform to educate people. Our own team members, if they are educated well, this is the cause and this can happen, why not? Every person will go towards it. So probably, if not 5 years, probably next 7 years, you find a sea change.
Correct.
So I really feel that this platform needs to communicate a lot. I really feel so.
Okay, so thank you. It was great having you here, and we'll see you at the next Rata event.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thanks.